So now we've started to get a dashboard looking and behaving how we want. I've just taken a copy of the main dashboard and we're going to have a look at the mobile version. Like all of the Salesforce standard products, mobile is baked in from the start. There's a specific Einstein Analytics mobile app, but this dashboard has been designed with desktop and tablet in mind. So if we have a look at it on a sort of standard mobile size screen, it works, but it is certainly not user friendly. This is based on an iPhone 6, 7 or 8 style screen. So what we can do is use the manage layouts feature. So I've created a new template here based on phone and just called it phone. And once you've done that, you can go into that layout and you can make specific changes. So what I've done here is simplified, taken out the map widget, which I think is useful on a bigger screen, but as you get into a smaller mobile screen you lose some of the benefits there. I've reordered some of these widgets, changed the sizes slightly, because I wanted this polar selector to be horizontal rather than vertical on the mobile. And if I change it to horizontal in the settings, that will apply to both my pages. I've taken a copy of that widget and I've just got a specific mobile version there, the horizontal as opposed to vertical. Then you can look at the detail page, and then I've broken out these selectors where you can look at the crime rates, schools, maps, again just to make it a bit simpler and more manageable on a smaller mobile screen. So if we look at that layout, you can see that all still works and makes a lot more sense. If I was doing this in real life for a mobile standard sort of use case, I'd probably make some more adjustments, especially around like the all-time graph here. It's probably too much detail, so I might even take that out as choice, and I'd make some adjustments to these tables, again just so there wasn't the need to scroll left and right on them so much, and just simplify it out. And you can also do a specific layout for on the standard templates for tablets, and any custom devices or screen sizes that you have that you want to create a specific layout for.